Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Today you are looking the exercise 4.3. First question is subtraction. In the first question you are looking 12th part. 1 to 12 part. That is subtraction. 1000, 100, 10 ones. So 8, 9 less 8. That means you will be right there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then subtract 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 you will be deduct, then left is 1. Okay. Now 14 less 6 is not possible. 14 less 6 is not possible. So what we will do here? We will take the carry from here. So that will be 2. It will be 2. Right? Now this will be 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This will be 14. Less 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Now this is the 2. So 2 less 5 is not possible. So we will take from carry here. So that will be 6. Okay, or this will be 12. Now this will be 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Less 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 6 less 2. 6 less 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Less 2. That will be cancelled. 1, 2, 3, 4 is left. Right? Similarly here you can do on finger also. 0 less 5 is not possible. So we will take carry from here. So that will be 4 or this will be 10. 10 less 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Less 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 4 less 8 is not possible. So we will take carry from here. So that will be 1. Or this will be 14. 14 less 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Less 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be 6. Right? Now 1 less 6 is not possible. So we will take carry from here. So this will be 7 or this will be 11. Now 11 less 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Less 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 7 less 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Less 2. 1, 2. Then left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Next 5 plus 6 is not possible. So we will take carry from here. So that will be 15 or this will be 3. 3. Right? So 15 less 6. 15 less 6. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Less 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 3 less 6 is not possible. So 2 will give the carry of this one and this is the now left is 1. 13 less 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Less 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Now 1 less 4 is not possible. So 9 will give the carry of this one. This will be 11 or this will be 8. Now 11 less 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Less 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 8 less 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Less 3. 1, 2, 3. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fourth part, 5 plus 9, not possible. So this 5 will give the carry of this one. So that will be 5, 4 and this will be 15. 15 less 9. Similarly you will be 2. That will become 6. Now 4 less 8 is not possible. So 2 will give the carry of 4. That will be 14 and this will be 2. So 14 less 8. Similarly you will be 2. This will be 6. 1 less 2 is not possible. So 6 will give the carry. So 6 will be 5 or this will be 11. 11 less 2, 9. And then 5 less 5, 0. No need to write the 0 in last. See here also, this will be 16 or this will be 4. So 16 less 8, 8. And then this will be 1 or this will be 14 by carry. 14 less 9, 5. 1 less 6 is not possible. So this will give carry 8 and this will be 11. 11 less 6, 5. 7 less 4, 3. Similarly here, 2 less 8 is not possible. So this will be 12 or this will be 2 by carry. 12 less 8, 4. Now this will be 7. This will be 12. 12 less 6, 6. Now 7 less 5, 2. 7 less 4, 3. This one. 9 less 9, 0. 2 less 0, 2. 6 less 3, 3. 5 less 4, 1. No need to carry here because all that these are greater than this line. 12 less 5 is not possible. So by carry this one is 7 or this one is 12. 12 less 5, 7. 7 less 2, 5. 2 less 8 is not possible because 2 is smaller than 8. So by carry this will be 5 or this will be 12. 12 less 8, 4. 5 plus 3, 2. Right? Now 8 less 9 is not possible. So by carry this will be 1 or this will be 18. 18 less 9, 9. Now 1 less 8 is not possible. So by carry this will be 2. This will be 11. 11 less 8, 3. 2 less 5 is not possible. So by carry this will be 3. This will be 2. 12. 12 less 5, 7. 3 less 2, 1. Now this one also. 2 less 4 is not possible. Or 0 also can't be give the carry. So this will be 8 will give the carry. This will be 8. This will be 10. Or this 10 will be give the carry of this one. This will be 10. Or this will be 9. Or this 10 will give the carry of this one. So this will be 12 or this will be 9. So 12 less 4, 8. 9 less 8, 1. 9 less 6, 3. 8 less 4, 4. Now that is a 9. 9 less 0, 9. And then 4 less 8 is not possible. So by carry this will be 14 or this will be 2. 14 less 8, 6. Again it's not possible to subtract 2 from 2 minus 6 is not possible. So this will be carry by 7 or this will be 12. 12 less 6, 6. 7 less 2, 5. Similarly here 4 less 6 is not possible. So by carry this is a 14 or this is 5. 14 less 6, 8. 5 less 4, 1. This 4 less 8 is not possible. So by carry this is a 14 or this is 7. So 14 less 8, 6. 7 less 4, 7 less 4, 3. Now subtract. Here is the 3 part. So 4, 2, 5, 6 from 8, 1, 0, 0. So when you will be see the from, then you will be write these things on top and this thing in. Okay, like this you will be right. So 0 less 6 is not possible. So by carry this will be 0 or this will be 10. By again carry, this is the 9 or this will be 10. So 10 less 6, 4, 9 less 5, 4, 0 less 2 is not possible. So by carry, this will be 7 or this will be 10. 10 less 2, 8, and then 7 less 4, 3. Here also, this is a 7. So by carry, this is a 6, this is 10. Again by carry, this is 9, this is 10. Again by carry, this is 9, this is 10. 10 less 8, 2, 9 less 8, 1, 9 less 8, 1, 6 less 2, 4. Like this also here, by carry this is 3, this is 10. By carry, this is 9, this is 10. By carry, this is 9, this is 10. So 10 less 9, 1, that is 9. This is 9 less 6, 3. 3 less 3 is 0, no need to write. Okay.